and welcome to Gardening with Soule. Today I'm going to give a shout out to the video software called OpenShot. Here we go. OpenShot. OpenShot.org. It's a free video program that allows you to edit videos you shoot on your phone and make some really nice videos, and it is free. And what I do is every now and then when I got a little spare change, I will send them basically, I think there's a little button somewhere in here that says buy us a cup of coffee, and it's so easy to use. I really love it. Now some people complain, oh, there's this buffering problem, and the buffering is because you're not saving your project often enough. Save your project, about once a minute. No, not quite that much. I save it, at least every 3 minutes, but I grew up using computers when things would crash all the time. We had 8-inch floppy disks, so I'm used to hitting that Control S all the time. Here we go. Here's the donate button. So if you use OpenShot at all, I'm going to encourage you to donate to them and keep it free and keep it fantastic and keep it available to all of us who make these YouTube videos. Thanks, OpenShot. Keep up the great work.